Welcome to Snaptron. My name is Walter Goodrich. I am the General Manager. We are a global leader in tactile metal domes. Today we're excited to host the Northern Colorado Manufacturing Partnership, and we're going to show them all of our facility and how we do what we do. On the tour, they will see our incoming raw materials, how we prep those materials for our different departments, our taping department, the dome stamping department, quality department, engineering. They will also see our sample land. This is a huge room of so many different parts and samples that people can request. Tactile metal domes are stainless steel that we form into a domed shape that when you push on them, it actually gives you feedback, tactile. So these things are going to be all around you, and they are every day. They're in airplane cockpits, medical devices, cruise controls in your car, gaming devices, all those kind of things. What makes us so special is that we have 30+ years of experience. We've been doing this for a long time. People come to us to solve solutions that they need in their product. People around the world rely on Snaptron. Reach out to us at snaptron.com.